I would like to welcome the students and families who are taking psychology courses for the 2020 and 2021 school year. My name is Matt Lewis, and I am the teacher for both AP Psychology and Introduction to Psychology. I have a Bachelor of Arts degree in psychology from Occidental College. I also have a Master's of Educational Leadership from Arizona State University. For those of you that want to follow us on our Twitter, at Hawk Psychology is a place you can go and you can follow us. For my AP Psychology students, we have our AP test on May 11th, 2021 at noon. I look forward to working with your students for this school year. While I am an educator teaching psychology courses, I am also a football coach at Highland High School. I've been coaching football for 25 years, and I have coached at the high school level, the college level, and the professional level. In college, I was a two-sport athlete in football and basketball. These are pictures of my two pets. Jack is a 1.5 years old, all-black German Shepherd, and Genesis is a almost 2-year-old cat. This will be my 7th year teaching AP Psychology and my 1st year teaching Introduction to Psychology. These are some pictures from my classes at McClintock High School. As you can tell, the students are up and trying to be active in their learning, interacting with one another. We did a neuron demonstration for the firing of a neuron. We had an ugly sweater party, which I did not win. We also constructed a brain from fruits and candy. My students also did speed dating when describing psychologists that they had to learn. And we also did a statistical breakdown of the colors in Halloween M&Ms. And the middle picture is my oldest daughter, Lindsay, who snuck in to take an USSI of my class. Thank you for attending my virtual open house.